Okay, I'm just recording. I'm putting this inside the car, so if he does try and hit on the car, he's doing better than we think he is. Okay, it's now closed in the car. Alright, take him to search for the rest of the finds. That one is a false. Don't encourage him there. You see he's picking up the scent.
Good boy. Where's the trunk?
There you go. There's a hit up high. Good job, Jax. No. Let him go. I don't want to get tagged. Very good. So that was the second hot spot. Very good. Okay, I'm going to pause this while I get rid of the second hot spot. We'll move on to the third.